Hello everyone, welcome to this session on data science. Myself, Jayashri Patil, Assistant Professor in Computer Department of Godavari Foundation's Godavari College of Engineering, Jalgaon. Today, in this session, I will discuss about what is data science, why data science is important, some benefits of data science, and life cycle of data science. So let's begin. Data science is the area of study which involves extracting insights from vast amount of data by the use of various scientific methods, algorithms and processes. Actually, the data science can be simply defined as the process of analyzing data for making a decision or marketing decision. It helps you to discover hidden patterns from the raw data. It is a field that is used to study the relationships existing in the large amount of raw data through the application of various scientific methods to derive some meaningful insights from the data. The term data science has emerged because of the evolution of mathematical statistics, data analysis, and big data. Data science is an interdisciplinary field that allows you to extract knowledge from structured and unstructured data. Data science enables you to translate a business problem into a research product and then translate it back into a practical solution. To have a better understanding of the concept, let us consider an example. Suppose you have decided to buy an electronic items from your home online. So you will have to take a sequence of decisions for buying the items. So by what means you are going to take the decision? Let us start with selecting the website by considering all the websites that sell electronic items. Then we need to find out the rating of the websites, because if the rating is more, that means the products are reliable and of good quality. So only then we should go further. So anything that doesn't satisfy this criteria, you can close all those websites, then we look for the discount. After analyzing all these factors, you proceed further to purchase an electronic item. A data science project also has the same basic idea for extracting the meaningful insights. Now next is the why data science is important. See, in the world that is approaching a digital space, organizations deal with an immeasurable amount of structured and unstructured data every day. This data can be collected from various possible sources, out of which the most common sources are the self-directed interviews, surveys, observations, and experiments. Well, this data is known as a big data. In today's era, companies are flooded with a gigantic amount of data. Thus, it is very important to evaluate what to do with this immense data and how to utilize it. Now, here comes the idea of data science, which uses a combination of various skills like statistics, a good knowledge of math, and the idea of business strategies to analyze the data and help the organization in taking market decisions. Most of the biggest organizations around the globe are exploring the power of data science to use customer data to identify their needs in order to enhance their services as well as revenue generations, thus making it the most demandable job for today's era. Here, the game-changing factor for the organizations is that how will they extract the values by analyzing the data and the efficiency of the way of the representation. Now, some benefits of the data science. Data is the oil for today's world. With the right tools, technologies, algorithms, we can use data and convert it into the distinctive business advantage. Data science can help you to detect fraud using advanced machine learning algorithms. It helps you to prevent any significant monetary losses. It allows you to build intelligence ability in machines. You can perform sentiment analysis to gauge customer brand loyalty. It enables you to take better and faster decisions. It helps you to recommend the right product to right customer to enhance your business. So these are some benefits of the data science. Now, next is the data science life cycle. There are 5 phases of data science life cycle: discovery, preparation, modeling, evaluation, and communication. Every data science project proceeds in several stages. Every stage requires several skills and tools. Now, the first stage of data science life cycle is discovery. The life cycle of data science begins with the discovery of data. This stage involves collecting data from discrete sources like various social media platforms, online sources, logs, etc. This stage can be carried out different factors, which includes determining the various requirements of the project, estimating the overall expenses, time, technologies, etc. Now, second phase is data preparation. So after collecting the data and the other resources, this stage is carried out to select a quality data subset from a very large amount of raw data. Thus, this process is also referred as the data cleaning. This stage is performed to locate and remove the outliers and several anomalies from the data, as well as to discover various trends and the relationships in the data. Now, third phase is modeling. Now, this is the stage in which the data is actually analyzed to extract the meaningful insights from it. This requires the knowledge of various areas of maths like statistics, probability, linear regression, logistic regressions, etc. The most commonly used tool for this purpose is R. However, there are several other tools like SQL, Tableau, etc. The main aim of this phase is to identify suitable machine learning algorithms and to find as well as build the model which best fits the business needs. The fourth phase of data science life cycle is evaluation. In this, evaluating the performance of a knowledge mining technique may be a fundamental aspect of machine learning. Evaluation measures can differ from model to model, but the foremost widely used the data processing techniques are classification, clustering, and regression. After building the models, these models are applied to the data sets to get the desired results. The results are then evaluated to test the performance of the models. These observations are used to improve the model to get the best results. Now, the last phase of life cycle of data science is communication. The communication is a very important phase in the data science life cycle. In this phase, the data scientist presents all the key findings of the project to the stakeholders and other members of the organization. This is to evaluate the accuracy of the results and to ensure that the project satisfies all the user requirements. Depending on the feedback received from the stakeholders, the data scientist will make the required changes. So, these are the 5 stages of the life cycle of the data science. So, this is all about the data science. Thank you.